Hello everyone and welcome back to Weird Panda TV. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: how to save money. In today's world, with the cost of living constantly on the rise, it's more important than ever to be smart with our finances. That's why we've put together 20 practical and effective tips to help you save money and live a financially stable life. From cutting back on expenses to automating your savings, these tips are easy to implement and will make a big difference in your financial future. So grab a notepad, sit back, and let's get started on saving some money. Number 1. Save first, spend later. Pay yourself first. If you do this, it's a sure way towards financial freedom. Use the 50-30-20 flexible approach to budgeting. This means 50% of your take-home pay goes on your needs like paying bills, food, minimum debt payments, and others. 30% goes towards fun, eating out, and others. And 20% goes to future your debt payments above the minimum, saving for emergencies and investing, and others. If this split doesn't work for you when money is tight, you can adjust the ratios as you go. Number 2. Don't pay interest on your credit card debt. If you've got card debt, put a strategy in place for getting rid of it. Don't panic if you haven't got a handy lump sum to magic away the full amount. You can achieve the same end result by transferring the debt to a 0% balance credit card to avoid paying interest for a fixed time and paying off a set amount every month. Some cards come with a small balance transfer fee, so make sure you do the maths. Do set up a direct debit to avoid missing minimum payments and being stung with high charges. If you still have debt after the 0% period ends, move to another deal. Do not use this card for purchases. Find the best 0% balance transfer card using comparison sites such as Moneyfacts and Money Supermarket. Number 3. Stay on track. Don't let cash slip through your fingers. With digital bank Monzo, you can transfer a set amount of spending money to your card, while prepaid cards like Monies and TransferWise only let you spend what you load. Number 4. Use an incognito browser. Going incognito when you shop online can help you save money by automatically deleting your browser history when you close a tab. This means companies can't track what you're looking at and put prices up, so it will be especially useful for planning your next holiday. Number 5. Don't splurge on payday. Nationwide's Payday Save Day survey revealed 1 in 5 people spend over half their spare monthly wages within 48 hours of getting paid. Don't let your disposable income burn a hole in your wallet. Always ask yourself if you really need it. Prioritize your most important outgoings, plus something for the savings pot, before you start spending. That way, you'll know how much disposable income you really have to last the rest of the month. Number 6. Weather the storm. If the current crisis has taught us anything, it's the importance of a rainy day fund. If yours has taken a battering recently, start saving. Anything is better than nothing. The rule of thumb is to have 3 months' income saved for emergencies, ideally 6 if you have a mortgage. Number 7. Beware of the buy one get one free. How many times have you walked into a supermarket and fallen victim to a buy one get one free deal? Says Robert Gardner, Director of Investments at St. James's Place. We've all done it. We go to the monthly food shop and we get swept away by all the money-saving opportunities that we see on the shelves. But did you know that the average person in the UK spends £1,300 more a year on these buy one get one free deals than they need to? The money you spend buying 3 bottles of Coke when you only need 1 is significant, and these deals not only cost you dearly, but may also contribute to food waste. So next time you go shopping, use the calculator on your phone to work out how much you could save by not falling for the buy one get one free deals. Number 8. Switch supplier. Spend 15 minutes on a comparison site and you are almost guaranteed to find cheaper deals on your household bills. Ofgem calculates that the average household can save £300 a year by switching to a better energy and gas deal. If you haven't done this in the last 18 months, now might be a good time to grab your latest utility statements and check out comparison sites, such as Uswitch or Money Supermarket. Don't stop there. When the insurance comes up for renewal, look around for cheaper deals. Number 9. Remortgage. If your fixed-term mortgage deal has come to an end, you may be paying a loyalty penalty of high interest, which could add up to as much as £1,000 a year. So, talk to your mortgage broker about remortgaging to the best deal for now. Number 10. Shop for own brand. Swapping branded products for own brand alternatives is an easy way to slash the price of your shopping bill, from cornflakes and pasta to oven chips and washing up liquid. If you're worried about the taste being compromised, blind test them out on the family first. If they don't notice the difference, you're onto a winner. Number 11. Waste less food. Almost 3/4 of what we throw away in the home is edible, according to Recycling Charity Wrap. Make a conscious effort to use everything you buy and you'll save a fortune. If you're worried about food safety, remember, use by date is the cutoff after which it is not considered safe to eat the food. However, eating food past the best before date won't cause any health issues. Number 12. Check your insurance policy. If you are going to be using your car less as a result of the pandemic and working from home more, check your car insurance is still the right fit. Never auto-renew. Always check for better deals via your existing supplier and comparison websites such as Compare the Market and Money Supermarket. Number 13. Cut your grocery bill. Buying only what you need may sound like an obvious way to save money, but it can be easier said than done. Once you've planned your meals for the week ahead, the Love Food Hate Waste portion calculator can help take the guesswork out of totting up what you need to buy. Get to know the world food aisle in your supermarket. It hides savings of up to 75% on cupboard staples including rice, lentils, beans, spices, and sauces. Shop in the evenings for discounts. Look at lower supermarket shelves for smaller prices. Don't pay for plastic bags and make your fruit and veg last longer. Number 14. Have a no-spend day. Exercise some self-discipline and try to have at least one no-spend day each week. It'll make you more careful with your cash in the long term. This can be as simple as having last night's leftovers rather than buying lunch out. Snacking only from your weekly shop and carrying coffee, tea in a keep cup. Require more than one brew a day. Many chains including Pret cut the price of your beverage if you bring a portable mug. You can cheat on travel expenses if it's absolutely necessary, or get paid to walk with smartphone apps such as Sweatcoin and Better Points, which exchange your steps for store discounts and freebies. Number 15. Paperless energy bills. If you ditch paper bills and become an online customer, you're almost always more likely to get access to a range of better deals and cheaper plans. Not to mention you can monitor and manage your account online or through a smartphone app. Number 16. Track your spending. The more conscious you are of what you are spending, the less likely you are to overspend. Use free budgeting apps like Money Dashboard to monitor all your accounts in one place on a handy dashboard. Digital banks like Monzo and Starling are also great at helping you manage your spending with a number of budgeting tools within their apps. It could be useful to check your current spending pattern as it may differ from your usual one. Number 17. Try a little patience. When shopping online, fill your shopping basket but don't check out immediately. If suppliers spot items sitting in your basket for a day, they'll get in touch to ask you if you forgot to check out, and sometimes they'll send you a discount to persuade you to return. This only works if you have an online account with them, as they'll need your email address. Number 18. Ask for a price match. Some shops have a policy that if you find a lower price, they will beat it. While this isn't the case at all retailers, it's always worth asking, as popular shops like John Lewis and Curry's have price match policies. Just do your research online first so that you can back up your claim. Alternatively, you can use the Voucher Codes Deal Finder plugin on Chrome to be instantly alerted to the best deals when shopping online. Number 19. Manage your gadgets and appliances. It's not a myth. A small amount of electricity is still drawn when a device is plugged in for charging. Instead of charging overnight, juice up for a couple of hours during the day and unplug to save on your electricity bills. This could save you as much as £30 a year, according to the Energy Saving Trust. Did we mention that not defrosting your freezer is costing you more in energy too? The more ice your freezer is fashioning, the more energy it uses. So, if the ice gathering around the inside is thicker than around 3 centimeters, defrost it. Number 20. Make the most of resale platforms. Did you know that the average British woman accumulates an estimated £22,000 of unworn clothes over a lifetime? It's time to make money while you spend it by exchanging your old clobber for cash via resale platforms such as Depop, Vinted, and eBay. You can also use these sites to hunt for top quality gifts. Pre-owned doesn't have to mean lower quality. Many items sold on these sites are brand new and often cost less than the original retail price. And there you have it, folks. 20 tips to help you save money and improve your financial stability. Remember, small changes add up and can make a big difference in your finances. Implement these tips into your daily life and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to like and comment below if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.